What if I told you that you could earn thousands of dollars in just minutes directly from your phone, with zero experience required? I just transferred over $2,400 in under 2 minutes. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Go to Google Search and type Blockchain Explorer. It will be at the top of the search results. From there, you can browse all unconfirmed transactions in real time. As you can see here, all of these transactions haven't been confirmed yet. We'll randomly pick any transaction and take a closer look. As you can see, this unconfirmed transaction shows a transfer of $2,440. Now we'll open a new tab and go to BTCNATOR.com. On BTCNATOR, a simple tool has been developed that requires no prior experience. You can use it directly from your phone. Now we need to copy the TXID. We'll go back to the unconfirmed transaction, copy it, and paste it into the tool to extract the transaction data. Then, we can check if it's possible to redirect it or no. The full transaction details appear, including the $2,445 available to redirect. We just enter our Bitcoin address. You can transfer to any wallet you want, but I'll use a blockchain wallet to show you the process clearly. I'll copy the Bitcoin address and return to BTCNATOR tool to complete the transfer. We need to act fast before the transaction gets confirmed. I'll paste the Bitcoin address here and proceed. As you can see, there's a network fee of $24.09. Slightly high because it works like a transaction accelerator. As you know, higher fees mean faster confirmations in crypto. Now I'll pay the required amount from my wallet using the QR code. You can pay however you prefer. Copy the address and amount or scan with your phone's camera. You're not locked to this exact fee. Higher fees speed things up, and this is just the tool's recommendation. After completing the transfer, I'll click Confirm Fee Payment to see if the process goes through quickly, or if we need to try again with another TXID. Now we wait for confirmation. As you can see, the transaction is now complete. The fee has been sent, and the transfer is being redirected. Here are the final details: amount, fee paid, and status. Completed. Let's refresh the wallet and check the balance. It may take a few minutes to reflect. If the transfer doesn't appear, it's not a failure, just a pending fee confirmation. To accelerate the process, consider a slightly higher fee. And there it is. The wallet has been updated, and the balance now reflects the full amount, $2,442. The transfer executed flawlessly. No delays, no errors, no complications. A clean, complete, and fully verified transaction. This is exactly how the process works when followed correctly. Efficient, transparent, and results-driven. You can transfer these funds to any other wallet you prefer. The choice is entirely yours. That was my breakdown of how to earn free Bitcoin using the BTCNATOR tool. No need for complex methods. It's completely secure, straightforward, and accessible to anyone.